Hi, Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Welcome back, and today I'm bringing to you my vegan deviled eggs. This was one of my very first vegan recipes and the one I think catapulted me into this journey of being plant-based, vegan, gluten-free. Here's a little kitchen tip. Let's use our dish towels more than paper towels. Good for the environment, and everyone's running a little short on paper products. Just wash them every day. So let's get started with a block of extra firm non-GMO tofu, some vegan mayonnaise, of shallot, turmeric, a little bit of mustard, lime juice, black Himalayan salt. This gives the flavor of an egg, believe it or not. Diced dill pickles, paprika, capers, chives, lime zest, chop up some more pickles. Let's start by getting our egg shape. The tofu is going to be made into the shape of an egg. Now, if tofu isn't your thing, I don't know what else to use. If you don't like tofu, this isn't the recipe for you. So I don't use a mandolin on this, but I do try to cut equal sized slices of the tofu. So you see, not too big, not too small. Here is how we make the egg. About this size, press, and I have a perfect egg shape. Okay, as you can see, this makes maybe 30. Keep in mind, the thinner you make the egg-shaped tofu, the harder it is to pick up. Place them on parchment paper, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. We'll start by adding our tofu pieces. This will make our filling. Now, we're not going to add all the vegan mayo. We want to make sure this doesn't get too thin. That's about 1/4 of a cup. Our shallots, our beautiful turmeric, yellow mustard, Himalayan salt, and lime juice. Clean off the sides to get all the ingredients in the center. And you can see it doesn't fall off the spoon. Egg mixture into a piping bag. Trim off the end of the bag. And I like to place the piping bag into a cup. Makes it a little easier to spoon in. Okay, now that we have our egg shapes out of the refrigerator, let's start piping. So we'll see how well I do with the piping bag. And it makes it look really professional, and it's really easy. See how quick this goes? And then once we have them all done, I like to refrigerate them for about an hour. Looks like I'll have a fair amount left. So if you wanted to make like a little egg salad sandwich or put it over some crackers, they're all ready. Set to refrigerate for a little bit, and then we'll plate them up. I've plated up a few examples of our vegan deviled eggs. You can garnish them with pickles, with capers, chives, paprika, or some lime zest. If you really want to get creative, you can also take some of your leftover shallot, zest that on top. Very, very strong flavor, but delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, share, and let me know how you made these your own. Thanks again from Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and healthy. See you soon. Bye.